So, like I was saying in my previous video, since it got cut off, so after I had invoked the name of Christ, the name of Jesus Christ, to have the, you know, whatever it was up on the second floor, whether it was a ghost or some type of evil spirit, after saying it for 3 times, then after that, very shortly, someone knocked on the door, and then good, I had to take care of business, and then I walked to the front, and good thing I did not hear anything after that. So that's what happened for my real life haunted ghost story number 7, and this video is number 2 of my real life haunted ghost story number 7, since the video got cut off earlier. So I hope you liked it, because I was just at the end of it and I didn't want to finish the video like that. And so if you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the like button, and I will see you guys in the next one. So take care, and until then, this is Walter. Bye.